जय गुरुदेव एवरीवन। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, गुरु ही ब्रह्मा है, गुरु ही विष्णु है और गुरु ही भगवान शंकर है। गुरु ही साक्षात परब्रह्म है। ऐसे गुरु को मैं शत शत प्रणाम करता हूँ।
Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. Today we are going to read chapter number 3, Plateaus of India from Social Studies part. So let's start the reading. A raised area with steep slopes and flat top is called a plateau. It is mostly a rocky area and is also called a tableland. Peninsular plateau. The peninsular plateau cover most of the central and south India. The plateau region of India extends from the south of the northern plain to the southern tip of India. It is triangular in shape. It is broader in the north and gradually taper down towards the south. The peninsular plateau is surrounded by hills on all sides. The Aravalli Hills in the northwest and the Rajmahal Hills in the northeast. The Eastern Ghat in the east and the Western Ghat in the west. The height of these ghats increase from north to south. The peninsular plateau is drained by many fast-flowing seasonal rivers with several waterfalls along their courses. Jog Falls on the Saraswati River in Karnataka is one of the highest waterfall in India. The Kunchikal Falls is the highest waterfall in India and the second highest in Asia. The Narmada rivers divide the plateau into two parts. The northern part is known as the Central Highland and the southern part is known as the Deccan Plateau. Central Highland. The Central Highland comprises two plateaus, the Malwa Plateau in the west and the Chota Nagpur Plateau in the east. The river Chambal, Betwa, Son originate in the Central Highlands. They flow northwards to join the Ganga and the Yamuna. The Narmada and Tapti rivers originate from the Vindhyas and flow westward into the Arabian Sea. Malwa Plateau. The Malwa Plateau is bounded by the Aravalli Hills in the northwest and Vindhyas in the south. The soil in this region is black and is very fertile. The main crops grown in this plateau are cotton, wheat, and oilseeds. Summers are extremely hot, whereas winters are extremely cold. Ujjain is the major city of this region. Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is in the eastern region of India and cover a large part of Jharkhand and the part of Odisha, West Bengal, Bihar and Chhattisgarh. Chota Nagpur Plateau is a storehouse of minerals. This region is rich in minerals such as coal, iron ore, manganese, bauxite, and mica. Some of the coal mining centers are Jharia, Bokaro, and Raniganj. Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is also called the Great Peninsular Plateau. It covers the largest part of Peninsular Plateau. The highest of this plateau range from 100 meter in the north to 1000 meter in the south. It stretches from the Satapura range in the north to the southern tip of India. It is bounded by the Western Ghat and the Eastern Ghat, which meets at Nilgiri Hills. The Western Ghats include the Sahyadri, Nilgiri, Annamalai, and Cardamom Hills. Cardamom Hills. Major rivers of peninsular India such as the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri originate in the Western Ghat and flow towards the east. The Western Ghats are comparatively lower and are cut by the rivers coming from the Western Ghats. These rivers cut valleys through Eastern Ghats to fall into the Bay of Bengal. The Godavari is the longest river of Deccan Plateau. Life in the Peninsular Plateau. This plateau covers a number of South Indian states. The region is famous for its unique lifestyle and rich culture. This variation of the Peninsular Plateau can be divided into 4 regional divisions: the northwestern part, the northeastern part, the central part, the southern part. Northwestern part. The shoal and rock in this region are of volcanic origin. Maharashtra is the main state in this region. Food. The people of this region mostly eat rice, fish, pulses, and vegetables. Dress. Traditional people in Maharashtra wear dhoti, skirt, and red turban. Occupation. Most of people in this region are engaged in farming. They mostly grow crops like cotton, sugarcane, and groundnuts. Okay, now festivals. Ganesh Chaturthi is the main festival of this region. What happened? People here are very fond of music and drama. Folklore is Maharashtra is known as Tamasha. The northeastern part. This part of Peninsular Plateau includes the Chhattisgarh and part of Odisha, West Bengal and Jharkhand. Occupation. The region is a fertile basin of river Mahanadi. Thus, farming is the main occupation. It is called the rice bowl of India. Rice bowl of India because rice grow in plenty here. Odisha is the famous for its textile weaving and silver work. Rice and jute are the main crops of West Bengal. Jharkhand is rich in minerals like coal, iron ore, and manganese. Food. People of this region mostly eat rice, pulses, and vegetables. Dress. Dhoti kurta is common dress for men. Women wear saris.